What's up, guys? Earth First here. Wanted to make a short video real quick. Was thinking a little bit more about germ theory earlier and doing some more research. And what I've come to the realization of is that with germ theory, we really stopped short of the cause of what's going on. We just really we kind of observed something, we saw it happen, and we just associated two things that are correlated as the cause, and we just didn't most people didn't dig any further than that. They just saw something happen and just believed the two things were related. So two people that get close to each other, one person's going to get the other one sick. But we've got now we've got so many studies that when you go back and look that they did where people were trying to intentionally get someone else sick, and it just doesn't work like that. It would be akin to taking a pot of water and getting it close to a stove and expecting the pot of water to get hot. Well, we know that wouldn't happen. You would have to set it on the stove. But then sometimes when you set it on the stove, it doesn't get hot. Well, because someone has to turn the stove on. So getting a pot close to the stove or putting it on the stove is correlated, but it's not the cause of it getting hot. So someone would have to actually turn the stove on the eye, and then the water would begin to warm up. But even then, that's really not the cause. That's someone walking over to your stove and turning on a dial is not a naturally observed phenomenon. So that's still not a scientific reason why that water got hot. For someone to be able to do that, the stove would have to be plugged in. And this is where we're starting to get with germ theory. We're starting to see that everything is based on electricity. If you didn't have electricity, it doesn't matter what you did to that stove. It's not coming on unless it's gas. But before we go there, in this example, so everything, electricity is naturally occurring in nature. And so that's kind of my thoughts on where we are with germ theory and how we need to look at it. And I'm going to let you guys go, but pick this book up, The Invisible Rainbow by Arthur Firstenberg. It will change your life. And we're getting to understand now that everything is basically governed by the electricity and the electromagnetic nature of our world. So it's good stuff. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.